Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today we're going to be planning in my PR social media planner, which is a custom cover from Mystic's Little Gifts that has a DIY disc bound half letter or junior size notebook / planner in it. Again, my setup game is 0 lately. I go in with the best intentions and nothing happens. So it just is, it is what it is. I'm just going to embrace what I have. This is my monthly, by the way, and keep it moving because, yeah. So this is last week's spread. Let me take this out. I didn't write down a lot, but you know, I have some notes here. I'm still trying to flesh out how I want to track my social media and PR. So, and I have not done the PR list that I talked about yet, but I do try to, on every video or plan with me video, list all of the shops that I use, which happen to be the shops that I have PR or do PR for. So I have codes for them. So if you just look in the description box, there's a list there and you can just copy paste it if you like. So these are the inserts that I have in here, and I think I'm going to stick with this insert for now. And I'm also going to take a break from Halloween. Apparently there's people that hate Halloween, so I'm going to, next week is all Halloween, but this time I am going to step back and do a little fall. I did a very involved spread yesterday, so I'm just going to take it a little bit easier today. So these are the stickers that I pulled. This is a sheet from the seasonal pages called Autumn Time Volume 1, and then I have these label pages from the Create Everyday collection from Fabulously Creative, and I have codes for both of these shops. They are in the description box below. So let's get started. I may pull out even more. I think I'm going to also dip into squad goals. I haven't used this in ages, and I know a lot of people are sick and tired of it, but I need to use my stickers. So yeah, I think these will go. Yeah, so but next week we are back to using a kit. I'm going to be using the Hocus Pocus kit, I believe. I'm going to be using the Hocus Pocus kit from Piper Paper Company. Okay, so to start, I'm going to use this. It's like a sage color washi green with a coppery looking foil drip. This is from Cookie Sticker Co. Let me let you see. Cookie Sticker Co. This is the washi. Now let's get it open. Okay, so I'm going to run this across the top. This is so pretty. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and put down some boxes before I put down too much deco, but I definitely want to use this sticker right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it. I don't know why I'm drawn to it, but I am, and I can always put a box over it. Let me use this one too. Let's see, I have those little books by the Happy Planner. So let's see. That's the black and white. This is the wrong. This is the one that I was sent, I think. Yes. It's seasonal, but I'm not into that right now. And then here's the That's for Thanksgiving. Let's use this one. And I'm gonna place it up here. I don't like that this says errands, but we can change that. And I'm gonna set that there and see what else I can put over that errands. Just gonna cover it. Nope. Let's get one of these labels from Fabulously Creative. Boom, there we go. Okay, then I need to use some more of these throughout. So put that one there. I'm not sure about the red. Let's see if I have some other boxes that I can use. I think I can get away with this one. Let's put it over here. Put it on Sunday. And then flag. Need something here. Let's use this. And one of these. And it was my intent to come back and kind of go over how I'm going to be using this planner and actually fill it in. But I think I'm going to do that again in a separate video. I'm going to do my best to get that taken care of this week. So let's put this cup here. And I guess I could have used the red box because it would have went with this candle. And I still can. Nope. Put these leaf deco on the side right there. Okay, and let's use this one. And I'm hesitant to use the pumpkin, but I'm going to. I think that's going to be enough. I wanted to put it up here. Okay. It's okay. So I think we need some more of that washi though. So I'm gonna run a little bit here, which I should have done to begin with. Should have put it like where the candle is, but do I want it down here? Should I add some of the orange in? Let's add some of the orange in. Probably should put orange down here since there's orange on the other side, but I think we were doing too much orange. So let's go with the sage. And I'm sure that's not the name of this color, but that's what color it is to me. Let's put a little glue stick on there. For some reason, some stickers just don't want to stick to the washi. So I put a little glue stick, a little craft glue stick. I think I got this on clearance last year. Then I'm gonna take my I hate to do to-do headers. Because I want some kind of header up here, but I really don't want to do. I'm gonna stick this right here, even though it's so little you can't really see it. Maybe I should use some of these little flags. Let's go ahead and date it, the 19th through the 25th. Every so often I date something wrong, and it makes me more aware of what the dates are, and then I get lax again about the dates. But yeah, let's see, 19. So this is Farmhouse, and I'm just flipping through to see if there's anything of interest in here. I like that. Do your thing. Okay, so that's enough. Pretty sure we are good. Still got a few labels from Fabulously Creative left, and there's also a digital, I think, that has some of these. Let's pop this back in and see what we've got. And again, I'm going to come back and actually plan on this, so look for that video hopefully this week if I can get it edited. But that is it for this spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.